Hi, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, and we're going to be doing math, and you need pages 13 and 14 for math today. 13 and 14. So last week, we started working on count-ons. Remember, you start with the bigger number and you count on. I'd like it if you could get a piece of paper or a dry erase board so we can practice some before we do our page. So pause it if you need to go get something. Okay. All right. So, let's do like this. We're going to do 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Remember, you don't have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already know there's 5. And in order to remind yourself that there's 5, I would circle the biggest number. 5, and say it as you circle. 5, and then you count on, you can add these two little dots, 6, 7, to help you count on. 5, 6, 7. See how easy that makes it? We can do it with 3 also. Let's do 7 plus 3. Okay? 7 plus 3. On a 3, there are 1, 2, 3 dots that we could use to help us count on. Again, we start with a bigger number. 7, 8, 9, 10. Look how easy that makes it. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then even on a 1, let's do 4 plus 1. Easy. But we can do the dot too. 4, 5. Right? 4, 5. So when we are adding, the biggest number isn't always going to be the first number. It can be the second number. And the answer is the same as if the number, when we add, if the number's first. Okay? So that's called a turnaround. We're going to write this problem. We're just going to go ahead and say 6 plus 3. Okay? 6 plus 3. This is just a regular count-on. We start with the bigger number, 6, and then we count on 7, 8, 9. We count on. But if it's the turnaround, that means we're just turning these two numbers around. 3 plus 6. We do it the same way. Start with the bigger number and count on, and it will have the same answer. 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a turnaround. The numbers that we add, the part gets switched around, but the whole or the sum or the answer is the same. So we're still counting on, starting with the bigger number and counting on. Remember how when you're counting on 1 or 2 or 3, have those, you can use those dots to help you. Say the biggest number and count on, or say the biggest number 6, 7, 8, 9. If it was 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can clap it. Let's say it's 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? I think using this is easier, but you do what you think is easier to count on. Okay, we're going to work on the paper. We're actually going to start on page 14. Okay? Scooching this over. We are going to start on page 14, which is this side. Okay. It says right here, when you know one answer, I know there's kind of a line through it, you really know two. When you know, when the number starts, the bigger number starts first, if you switch it around, it's the same answer. So, all right, 7 plus 3. So we're going to count on. I'm going to do it like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And then the turnaround, I'm going to trace over this. 3 plus 7 equals, kind of making it look messy. 3 plus 7. It's the same thing, but in case you just wanted to check, you still start with the biggest number. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we're going to be writing our own turnarounds. 4 plus 3. Start with the bigger number and count on. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to write the turnaround. That means you're switching those, the part, we're switching it. So instead of 4 plus 3, we're switching those. 3 plus 4 equals, it's going to equal the same thing. The sum is the same. The whole is the same. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. The next one, 7 plus 2. 7, 8, 9. Okay, we are going to write the turnaround again. Turning these two around, so it's going to be 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. So again, it's the same thing. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the turnaround. 3 plus 5 equals, the answer is the same. The sum is the same, 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now the turnaround, 3 plus 8 equals 11. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pause if I'm going too fast, of course. Okay, then we're going to make the turnaround. 3 plus 9 equals 12. The turnaround always has the same answer. 9 plus 1, this one's so easy, 9, 10. And then 1 plus 9 equals, same answer, 10. Okay, 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the turnaround, 3 plus 6 equals 9. I'm trying to wait a second. So if you're getting behind, 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. And then the turnaround, 2 plus 8 equals 10. Okay, pause if you need to, because we're going to go down to the bottom. Instead of writing the answer, we're going to draw a line to the answer. So they did this one for us, 2 plus 9 equals 11. I'm going to look for the turnaround of that because I know it's going to equal the same answer. 2 plus 9? 9 plus 2. Okay. Now, 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. That also equals 11. And then I'm going to look for the turnaround of 8 plus 3. There it is, 3 plus 8. Okay, 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to look for the turnaround of 4 plus 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. And then the turnaround, 2 plus 8. Okay, these two were left off, or these three are left off for here, but we might be drawing a line down here to it. Oh, you can't see it very well, can you? Okay, 3 plus 9. Okay, remember we can start with a bigger number even though it's second. 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to look for the turnaround. 3 plus 9, 9 plus 3. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to look for the turnaround of 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 2 plus 7. Okay, 3 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the turnaround right here, 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the same thing over here. This is the turnaround, 3 plus 6. Pause if you need to finish this up. If you need to get caught up of any of this on the bottom. Okay. You are going to do the other side on your own. Okay? Easy ones, it says at the top. These are all +1s count-ons, +2 count-ons, or +3 count-ons. Okay? It says count on from the bigger number. Part plus part gives the whole. Okay? So you're doing this on your own. All right? Start with the bigger number and count on. It makes it so easy. Okay. I will see you guys again. Bye.